importance of sunlight in our daily life. Sunlight directly affects the pineal gland, the gland that secretes melatonin. Melatonin helps us to improve sleep quality and reduce us from depression. It boosts immunity, reduces cancer risk, heals our skin and bones, and balance blood pressure. Nothing is more important to us on earth than sun. Without the sun heats and light, the earth would be lifeless ball of ice-coated rock. Plants need sunlight to grow. Getting anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes of sunlight on our arms and hands in a 2 to 3 times on a week is enough to get a vitamin D. Sunlight helps stimulates the body production of vitamin D, which has many health benefits. Vitamin D helps our body to absorb calcium as well as mineralization. Thank you and have.
Om. Om is not just sound, it's a wave of universe. Om is a very powerful sound that lies within us. Chanting Om is a sacred practice that helps our mind and body to energize. When we chant Om, a sound is produced in our vocal cords that helps to open and clear up the sinuses. Chanting Om also has cardiovascular benefits. It reduces stress and relaxes our body, that brings down the blood pressure to the normal level and our heart beats the regular rhythm. Chanting Om is believed to be very beneficial for our stomach health also, as it relaxes the muscles of stomach and reduces stomach pain. It is also beneficial as it helps to improve concentration, detoxifies body, helps in functioning of heart and stomach muscles, and develops confidence.
तो साफ चलकर सीधे खड़े हो जाएं। अपनी आंखें बंद और मन शांत रखें। हाथों को सीधे ऊपर उठाते हुए अपने शरीर को पीछे की तरफ मोड़ें। आगे की तरफ झुकें। अपने हाथों से पैरों को पकड़ें। अपनी नाक से घुटनों को छूने की कोशिश करें। अपने हाथों को जमीन पर रखें, पैरों के पास। बाएं पैर को मोड़ते हुए दाएं पैर को पीछे की तरफ ले जाएं। अपना शरीर पीछे की तरफ झुकाएं। अपने हाथों को जमीन पर रखते हुए सीधा पैर पीछे की तरफ मोड़ें। दोनों पैरों को साथ में लाकर अपना वजन हाथ और पैरों पर रखें। पैरों को मोड़कर अपनी नाक से घुटनों को छूने की कोशिश करें। अपने ऊपरी शरीर को आगे की तरफ झुकाकर चिन को जमीन पर रखें, हाथों के बीच। अपने ऊपरी शरीर को आगे की तरफ झुकाकर ऊपर की तरफ ले जाएं और अपना वजन अपने हाथों पर रखें। ऊपरी शरीर को पीछे की तरफ मोड़ें। अपने शरीर का भार अपने हाथों और पैरों पर रखें और अपने शरीर को अंदर की तरफ झुकाएं। दाएं पैर को आगे लाते हुए अपना ऊपरी शरीर पीछे की तरफ मोड़ें। शरीर का भार दाएं पैर पर रखें। पैरों को हाथों से पकड़ते हुए अपनी नाक से घुटनों को छूने की कोशिश करें। सीधे खड़े हो जाएं। अपने हाथों को ऊपर की तरफ ले जाएं और ऊपरी शरीर पीछे की तरफ मोड़ें। वापस ऊपर की पोजीशन में आ जाएं।
The biggest benefit of Tadasana is that it corrects our posture and helps to improve our balance by making spine more agile. The second benefit of Tadasana is that it helps to improve the flexibility of our ankles, thighs and joints. Thank you.
Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses Besides being a great cardiovascular workout, Surya Namaskar is also known to have an immensely positive impact on the body as well as on mind. Benefits of Surya Namaskar are it stimulates the nervous system, enhances cognitive function, an excellent exercise for weight loss management, and improves metabolism as well as blood circulation. It improves anxiety who are suffering from anxiety disorders and etc. It maintains the cardiovascular health and improves in overall body development. It is also known as the ultimate yoga asana.
In which asana, we keep our two legs folded like this and then we sit over the two legs, and after that we keep our palms open like this towards the ceiling. Like this we do the Vajrasana. Few benefits of Vajrasana are that like all the yoga asanas, Vajrasana helps to keep the mind stable and stress free. It helps to cure digestion related problems like acidity and gas formation. It helps to heal knee pain also. The special feature of this asana is that except for all the asana, it can be done after we have our meal, for it is very effective in the process of digestion.